Dumelang. Welcome back to Setswana class. Tsatsi jeno re tsile go ithuta dikgwedi tsa ngwaga, months of the year. So I made a little note here because in Setswana or in Botswana, really, you don't hear people using proper Setswana all the time. So you might not hear people say months in Setswana, but it's one of the coolest way to just like show people your skills. And even when you are in Botswana, you're like, Ferikgong, then it just feels like you know what you're talking about. Anyway, um, January is Ferikgong, Ferikgong. February is Tlhakole, Tlhakole. Then March is Mopitlwe, Mopitlwe. April is Moranang, Moranang. May is Motsheganong, Motsheganong. And June is Seetebosigo, Seetebosigo. Fun fact about June is that I don't know if you are in Southern Africa or in Africa or elsewhere, just know that it's June is summer in America and it's winter over there in the southern hemisphere. So Seetebosigo basically means do not visit at night because you might get cold and you know get hypothermia. I don't know. I don't, yeah, but it's Seetebosigo. Do not visit at night. Um, July, Phukwi, Phukwi. August is Phatwe, Phatwe. September is Lwetse, Lwetse. When you're in Botswana, you should know that the independence is in the 30th of September, and you might hear somebody saying, kgwedi ya Lwetse e le malatsi a le masome a mararo, which means the 30th of September. So that's like a big month in Botswana. That's like a big day in Botswana. People go out, celebrate independence, So, yeah. Um, October is Diphalane. Diphalane. November is Ngwanatsele. Ngwanatsele. December is Sedimonthole. Sedimonthole. That's December. So we can start again. Ferikgong, Tlhakole, Mopitlwe, Moranang, Motsheganong, Seetebosigo, Phukwi, Phatwe, Lwetse, Diphalane, Ngwanatsele, Sedimonthole. I hope that's clear. I had promised to make this video when in one of the live videos, so here we are. I hope that you guys can learn from this. And I just want to point out that this channel is growing, so you'll see a lot of people contributing in different lessons. So if you keep in touch, if you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and enjoy so many other range of videos from different contributors of Setswana from South Africa, Botswana, and Namibia if we are lucky. So if you are also like a contributor and you're somebody who wants to collaborate with us into making this platform of Setswana speaking big, please get in touch with us on the email attached to this YouTube page. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Until we meet again next time, goodbye.